began 2023 with a question: will artificial intelligence take our jobs? And we end 2023 with the same question. No answers though. Experts and corporate bosses are non-committal. They won't say yes or no, but their decisions reveal a clear trend. Just look at Google. Reports say the company is planning to reduce its workforce, basically fire people. And how many jobs are at stake? Around 30,000. That's a big number, 30,000 jobs. Google only has around 170,000 employees, so 17% of them could be fired. And what's the reason? Artificial intelligence. Google wants to use AI in its daily operations, especially in two fields. One is the ad sales department, and the second is customer support. Now, the ad sales is a very important department. In 2020, Google Ads made around $147 billion in revenue. $147 billion. That was 80% of the company's total inflow. Then why the layoffs? Because Google thinks AI can do a better job. This year, they launched an AI-driven ad program. It's called Performance Max, and the results are good. Businesses that use this program reported 18% more conversions, meaning more people visited them thanks to the ad. Last year, without AI, it was 13%. So clearly, AI helps. Same with customer support. Whether it's handling complaints or asking for reviews or seeking feedback, AI seems to be much more efficient. And Google did warn about this. In January, they laid off 12,000 workers. They said the company is refocusing, whatever that means. But Google is not alone. AI has taken hundreds of thousands of jobs in 2023. Like at IBM, the company plans to replace around 8,000 workers with artificial intelligence. Paytm fired close to 1,000 workers. Again, AI was cited as a reason. Apparently, Paytm is using AI to do repetitive tasks. Another Indian example is Dukaan. It's an e-commerce platform. This year, Dukaan replaced 90% of its support staff with AI, 90%. And 2024 will be more of the same. Take a look at what a US survey found. 44% companies say some jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence. 37% say AI has already taken jobs. So forget existential threats and Terminator problems. This is the real risk from AI, the risk of jobs. Studies say AI could take millions of existing jobs. At the same time, it will also create millions of new ones. So the question is, what should you do? How can you prepare for these new jobs? If you're in school or college, it's time to think. Do some research, get advice from industry experts, basically figure out a strategy. And I'm not saying don't follow your dream, but see if that dream will be gobbled up by AI. Many colleges have already started adapting. For example, IIT Bombay. It has made AI and data science mandatory for students. So clearly things are moving in one direction. Make sure you are not moving in the opposite one. But what if you're already in the workforce? What do you do then? Well, then the old mantra still stands. You have to keep updating your skills, learn new techniques and methods, acquire more knowledge, keep researching and learning. Only then can you remain relevant. You can't depend on companies to protect your jobs from AI because they won't. Just look at Google. It makes around $14 billion in profit every year. That's $56 billion annually. And I'm talking pure profits, not revenue, $56 billion. Yet it's firing 30,000 workers. Can Google afford to keep them on? Of course they can. It's one of the richest companies in the world. But it won't, because that's how companies function. So in 2024, we need a reset. Every stakeholder needs to review where they stand. Parents, teachers, schools, companies, headhunters, all of them. Because AI is coming for some of our jobs, and nobody can say there wasn't a warning.